Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by preparing the app to accept voice input and confirming the audio path works. Choose Android or iOS and add the native speech SDK. Once done, add microphone and speech permissions in manifest/info. List and request runtime consent from the user. Make a simple test view that records raw audio and logs levels so you can see input. This ensures you're not blocked by permissions or hardware before you implement recognition or intent handling. Next, you'll wire capturing to recognition and interpretation. Start by streaming audio into the recognizer and use voice activity detection of about 0.51 second to trim silence. Then, pick local ASR for low latency or cloud ASR for higher accuracy and richer language support. Make the trade-off explicit. Once transcripts appear, convert text to intents with either a rule-based parser or an ML classifier and maintain conversational context. Make sure to throttle requests and batch updates to reduce network and CPU load. Finish by connecting recognized intents to concrete app actions and giving immediate UI or spoken feedback so users know the system heard them. Once done, optimize power by using a lightweight wake word and only starting full ASR when triggered, and prioritize privacy by encrypting audio sent to cloud services. Test across devices, microphones, and networks to catch edge cases. If recognition fails, check permissions, sample rate mismatch, and microphone routing first. Those are the most common causes of silent failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.